Oldu. Şu an iyi. Ben çekecek misin?
Hadi bakalım.
Bu içine de olur mu?
Geçen aşaması için. Hadi bakalım.
Evet, oradan geldi.
Şimdi şurası kaldı. Tamam, oraya bakalım. Tamam. Kapı bakıyor. Yapacak yapacak. Yapacak bunu.
Nerede acaba?
Şunu takmayın.
Biraz aldı mı?
Yok oğlum borç edip. Onun için. Başka yapıyorum abi. Bak gözüm abi. Işık ya. Görüyor musun? Işık ya bak parlıyor bak orada. Bak şöyle. Gitti. Orada gitti. Al orada.
Ha, gördüm gördüm. Gördüm şimdi
Al
gördüm.
orada. Sen şurada bir yerde var. Al orada. Orada kaç tane var? Şurada var. Şurada var. Al para para. Şu su dolu bir orada çıkmış.
Ya şu gerçi benim alıyorum.
Hay yaşına.
Ay.
Şöyle mi?
Bu belki.
Tutmaz. Tamam. Şunu. Bak. Şunu titir. Ver.
Hadi bakalım.
Aç şunu.
Ay. Evde kadar oldu.
Sola. Hadi daha. Saf olamayacak. Geç açacak.
Ne yapacağız?
Yok hocam. Ses olmayın. Hadi çok. Bir karşıda. Bir şu arkada. Hı. Geçmesin.
Çok yakın. Çok yakın. Çok yakın. Çok yakın. Where to guys? Easy. Ini kisah.
Makan siapa?
Ya udah macam.
Ya, boleh.
Ah, ada sebelumnya.
Oke.
Ini begini. Yang macam.
Oh, loh. Langsung. Tadi bisa.
Ini bisa. Ah, siapa yang mancing bisa?
Tangannya. Chance buat ceknya.
Siapa yang mudah? Ah,
Voilà.
ah,
Bukan sana.
di mana tadi?
Dan itu.
Kau sama.
Masih siap. Wah.
Trust me, this one comes from a good place in my heart. I'm telling you, it comes from a good place from my heart. Parents that have got baby daughters, you've got ladies in your home. Teach them that it's okay for a lady to offer to pay a bill. Teach them so that, wow, it sticks into their head. Otherwise, they're out here sleeping with wrong people to say thank you. Someone takes her on a date, she always thinks obvious I have to end up with this man in bed. That's what they think all the time. I mean, for who? It's very sad out there. And some of them, they're even sleeping with their friends' fathers and fathers' grandfathers. It's even very sad. Friends' fathers and fathers' grandfathers. You see, it's even confusing. That's how much confusion is in this society. Because you people are all not telling them the truth. Stop making your baby girls have an opportunity of having things just easily and for free. No. That's why when things are tough for them, they end up opening a brangu, pra, brangu, pra. I'm telling you. And your friends are sleeping with your daughters. Because you as a father figure, you did not show your daughters to say, no. Even a lady is supposed to work hard to earn this. Eh? Ha. Well. And your friends will do your daughters, I'm telling you. Your friends, these sugar daddy friends, they will do your daughters. I'm telling you. Please, ladies, and if you're not complaining as a lady, please, this message is not for you. We know you are used to be done. So if you're not complaining, this message is not for you. Short commercial break. Have you registered with 1xBet? If not, now is the time to register with 1xBet and make sure you use the promo code AFRICANJOKER to qualify for that 300% bonus just like that for you. 1xBet is the best betting platform out there. So what are you waiting for? Register today and bet the easy way. Now back to the issue. Most ladies have got this thing of thinking, no, I know how to pay him back. And they want to go and open their legs to pay back a man. It has become a culture, it has become a norm for a lady to think that is okay. Just a little gift, you're opening your legs. The little gift, opening your legs. A little gift, you are already doing this. A little gift, you are lifting your legs. A little gift, you're already facing the ceiling. A little gift, you are now moving, you're going to be done. Ladies, your thing will get tired. I'm telling you. I mean, for who? How many men are you going to pay while opening your legs? How many? Because all of us, we want. And trust me, you will get tired. For who? This is the truth that people don't want to tell you. Ladies, believe me, a gesture of a lady. Gesture. That is English. A gesture of a woman asking to pay bills is one of the biggest traits that a man looks for in a woman. I'm telling you. I mean, for who? And then you want to sit, just open your legs there. Kwa ba. How long? Ladies,